Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in the edition of yesterday's newspaper of Thursday, June the 17th, 2021. Yes, because today on Friday we have no extra Sudokus, no additional. So I've decided to continue with the edition of yesterday. And this one will be number, where's my red pencil? Here, alright. This one will be a number, let me see, number 2, 9, 6, 9. Alright. And this one, what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then I need to compare, I think. Yeah. Those two are almost the same. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. I cannot place double O here or double 1 here. It must be here an O or a 1. So I have 1 O, second O, third O. So this must be the 4th O. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4 O. So the rest are 1's. Okay. Double O here, 1 there, 1. And then. Well, I need also here an O and a 1. I cannot have double 1 here. Otherwise, it will be identical rows. Those two rows, the last row and the row above. So it must be 1 and an O. So first O, second O, third O, and the 4th O. So this must be a 1. All right. Then. 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 1's in a row. In this row, not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Okay. Then do I need to compare 1, 1, O? Yeah, this one and the last column. 1, 1, 1, 1, O. Empty box, 1, 1, O. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Okay. And now, compare again. Compare again. Okay, it's not the same. This one, 010. Do we have 010? No. I need to compare the columns. Oh. Aha. Aha. Let me see. This column and that column. We have here. Oh, no. It's not correct. Not correct. It should be. Yeah, should. Not this one. Should be that one. The column next. Okay, so we have 1 1. Sorry, 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 empty box 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double 1 here, no there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Alright. And now this one. Then can we compare this? Cannot compare the columns. 1 1. Double O. Here 1, there 1. Overlooked. I've overlooked. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright, with a little bit troubles, but I've managed to solve this, and I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle in yesterday's newspaper, or Thursday. So see you later. Bye bye for now.